Africa Millionaires. My name is Bongiwe, aka Stubuluza, or you can call me Stubuluza. You can find me at Stubuluza on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. So basically, I'm gonna take you through Forsage, and I will go straight. You need to download your Trust Wallet to be a member. You need to ask for the link of the person who referred you. So you're gonna log in. So basically, the money comes in on your Ethereum wallets. So you're able to see the balance of your funds. You're able to go down here to settings and then change the preference in whatever currency you want to put it in. You can make it US dollars or whatever that you want to put it in. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you go to the 4 lines here below on your Trust Wallet. Once you've gone on the 4 lines, you click you put the link of the person who wants you to join on top there and click the link, enter. So I'm getting questions about how does it work and how does Forsage work and everything. So this is my office and it shows the member ID, the number of people, 16 people. This is a sign, and the pink is usually the amount that I've already made. So when you go to instructions, you're able to get all the proper information. So on Forsage X3, when you join Forsage, you join at your 0.05 Ethereum, which is usually 0.7 or 0 depending on the rate of Ethereum. The money is split into two, where you're able to buy the Matrix X3 and X4. X3 has 3 legs and X4 has 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get paid for the first blue 2 legs, the people that you share the business with and they join under you. The money comes to you. The third one on X3, it's a form of a reinvestment, meaning the money goes to your upliner, meaning you will continually receive from these slots. So what are the slots? You have 12 slots. Each slot is written the value of Ethereum that you're unlocking, each and every slot, from 1 to 12 on X3, from 1 to 12 on X4. So the difference now between X3 and X4, like I said, X3 has 3 legs, 1, 2, 3. X4 has 6 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ne? The difference now is that the blue, it means that it's money coming to you from the people that you recruited. The pink, it means it's a reinvestment, meaning you're reinvesting to continue receiving from the slot. On X4, the difference is now in spillovers. It's based on the overflow from the upliner and overflow from below, meaning your downliners, and it depends who upgraded first to each and every slot on X4. So if, let's say, your downliner upgraded before you to X4, you will be able to see them under your X4 level 2 if they upgrade before you on X4 level 2. The purple, it means it's your upliner, and this is a sign that the upliner is linked to you. And then the blue, it means that is you. The purple, it means money going to your upliner. The blue, it means money coming to you only if you upgraded earlier. Remember, anyone can upgrade before you on X4, even your downliner. And then the pink, it means a reinvestment. Then it's money going to your upliner in a form of saying you will continually receive from this slot. And as I did say, we've got slots from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each and every slot is growing in terms of value based on each slot that you are unlocking and upgrading into. Already when you join the money on the system, you use the money on the system, you only pay once off to upgrade. Unless you're someone who says you want to upgrade to higher paying slots, maybe you want to upgrade straight to level 7 or 8 or 9, 10, 11, 12. Then it depends on your team strategy. Like I did say, the money is split to X3 and X4 level 1. This is why X3 and X4 level 1, you'll always see that there's a number of people that you signed up because they are already there. So the reinvestment, it means you are opening the slot, meaning you continually want to receive from the slot. An upgrade, you can miss payment if you do not upgrade. You'll see this sign and you need to press this buy baskets. So if it's red, it means lost profits, and if it's greens, it means extra profits. Extra profits, it's payment. It's when it's payment received to you as an expense of the lost profits of your lower partner when you're upgrading. Ne? So over and above, this is how you see an overflow. You see the blue, it's partners invited by you. This one, which is a lighter blue, it's an overflow personally invited partner of your superior, meaning your upliner. The navy blue is an overflow from below personally invited partner of your downliner, depending if they upgraded earlier to the higher paying slot. Because other people, they get in the business and they don't just go and upgrade on level X3, level 2. They go straight to X4 level 7 or higher paying slots with their funds. So here are the terms. It's superior partner, means the purple, referred partner, pink upgrade and reinvestment, the red is lost profit. But you're able to see all these things, my leaders, when you go to your account, statistics. Ne? So when you go to your account statistics, you're able to see all these things that I've just mentioned. Like here, the purple X4 level 7. My upliner bought this and was able to get 6,000. Do you understand? The green, it means it's money that came to who? To me. X4 level 3. Ne? In a form of a reinvestment or whatever. The green, it's a profits 30661 that went to who? To my upliner. It might be a form of a reinvestment, or maybe it's because they upgraded before me. And it's basically, when you start seeing the red, it means lost profits. Like here, my upliner got an upgraded to level 7 before me, so I lost profits because someone had upgraded to level 7 before me, who was my downliner. So it's basically written here. You're able to see from the top, and if you go from the beginning, you're able to see when you joined. For me, it was on the 24th of April 2020 when I started receiving money, but I joined on the 29th. So also when you go to office and go to partners, you're able to see your partners, which one has more people, which one has no people, which one has upgraded, which one has received money without any partners. As you can see, like this one has received $74 and they don't have any partners. Why? Because they're receiving spillovers from me. Ne? So it's basically like that. There is no other magic. You recruit, you work hard, you work on a strategy with your team, and you can achieve anything. So this is Ubongiwe, aka Stubuluza Ntsindani. My birthday is on the 1st of July. Tomorrow I can't wait. So I'm just waiting for people to just rush in and upgrade like there's no tomorrow. Stay blessed, guys, and be safe. For such.